What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to set additional mouse button functions in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on mouse and trackpad, and after that scroll down and from here select option additional button 1 or 2, and after that you can set the function for the additional button. So you can choose any function from this list, and you can also choose open app. So from here choose the app that you want to open with the additional mouse button. So now after choosing a app, when you will click additional mouse button, it will open the selected app. So that's how you can set additional mouse button function in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.